Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. When I was changing the truck's fuel pump, I talked about pumping down the fuel tank on the truck and then putting it into a storage tank and keeping it to backfill the truck and the car for when I had a need for some extra gas. So I bought an extra gas can, and this is the first time I'm going to get to use it. The price on gas is $3.19. The Meijer store has a process called perks, and that's kind of a coupon thing. Each time you buy something at the store, they give you so many points. The points add up, and if you have enough, in this case, 5,000 points, which doesn't take that long to make, 5,000 points lets you drop the price of the gallon of gas. Well, by using my Meijer perks, I'm saving 50 cents a gallon, so it's down to $2.69.9. It's good for up to 30 gallons, so I brought some spares. If I hadn't filled those two tanks, I'd had to stop at 9 gallons. This way I went all the way up to 21.21 gallons. So I saved some more money. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.